How to delete a page on Facebook. You have a public page, not a personal profile or personal Facebook account, but just a public page on Facebook. A simple way. Before moving on to the explanation, subscribe to the channel and click on the like button and share the video for the benefit to spread. The first step, my friend, is to go to your profile icon and click on it. Here you will find the pages. Click on it, then choose the page you want to delete. After that, my friend, you will click on it, and here you will find a switch at the bottom so that he or she can switch to the page you want to delete. After that, my friend, click on the page profile icon, then go down. You will find settings and privacy. Click on it. After that, you will click on settings here, then go down here and search for accessibility. Click on accessibility, and here you will find do you want to deactivate the page, meaning deactivate it and retrieve it whenever you want, or delete the page temporarily, or delete the page permanently. We will choose to delete the page, the last option. After that, click on follow, then click on follow again. After that, you click on follow again, and here, my friend, you will find your personal profile. You enter your Facebook account password, then click on follow, and here you will find delete page. You can delete the page permanently, but you can retrieve it within 30 days. If more than 30 days have passed, you will not be able to retrieve your Facebook page. Then, click on delete page.